Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to edit civil 3D surfaces by using SwapEdge command from the editing surfaces tools. Now you can open this drawing 410 from the description link, which you can also download from the previous exercise, and if you want to watch how to delete line by fence selection mode, then you can you can watch previous exercise. Now for this exercise, zoom to the green box in the southwest area of the site here, and you will notice a collection of contours that should be representing the shape of ditch. Here you can see there are some disturbance which we will make clear. You can see 4 red circles were placed on some triangles edges that are causing these contours to be pulled either away or toward the ditch. Using the SwapEdge routine will redraw the triangle edges to available vertices nearby. So selecting the surface from the contextual tab, existing surface contextual tab, here you will see editing, edit surface tool, SwapEdge. Just select the SwapEdge and zoom in on the area very closely. Now place the pick box inside each circle and you will see the changes. It will immediately change in the contours. Press enter when you have finished selecting edges to complete the command. You may pan around the experiment with this command even further. So remember that any edit surface operation can be removed on the definition tab in surface properties. So how you can see how we can edit SwapEdge on surfaces and how can we fix our ditches line using these very useful tools. For more edit surface commands, stay tuned with us for next